Our phone will sleep automatically after power is exhausted if it is in use too long. A sleeping battery may not be charged or power on. For this situation, we can try following method to active battery by ourselves. Batteries are always marked positive and negative poles. For example, install an iPhone 7 Plus battery that has been placed for a long time and charged to power on. Logo keeps flashing repeatedly, failed to power on. In this case we suppose power was drained and it's in dormant mode. Test battery voltage with an ammeter. Battery voltage is obviously too low. Generally, voltage of lithium battery is usually 3 volt to 4.2 volt. Take out a 5 volt 2 ampere wall charger, an ordinary charging cable. Cut off its charging port and cut out copper wire. Because our readers on battery connector are quite tiny, we can connect a sharp wire, or a SIM ejector. Red end of charging cable is positive pole, black end is negative pole. Plug wall charger, connect positive pole of SIM ejector to positive pole of battery, and the same for negative pole. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Remeasure voltage. Battery voltage has increased obviously. Try to turn on. If there is not any change, repeat above operations. Install activated battery on phone, charge up. Now battery back to working mode. There is no flashing logo anymore. Power on phone after several minutes charging. Battery value is 1% now. Just keep charging. It indicates that our battery has been activated successfully. Attention! Confirm whether battery can be charged or not in first step. Or test battery voltage after logo repeats flashing, and phone cannot power on. Some low voltage batteries may power on normally after being charging for a while. If fail to active battery, it may be caused by internal battery short circuit.